Welcome! The FIT Writing and Speaking Studio has created this video to guide you through taking part in an online session. In order to access your online Writing and Speaking Studio appointment, the first thing you'll need to do is sign into your WCOnline account. If you don't already have an account or don't know how to make an appointment, refer to our previous videos. Once you've got the schedule in front of you, you'll want to go ahead and click on the appointment box. At that point, you'll be given the option to start or join online consultation in the bold red letters on the middle of the screen. Now that you've clicked Start or Join Online Consultation, you'll see that you're being given the option to turn on your camera and microphone. To turn them on, click Allow. We encourage the use of these tools because they do tend to make sessions more productive. But it's also certainly okay if you don't feel comfortable using them. The session also has a chat area to the right of the collaboration space or the whiteboard area in the middle. You'll see that me, your tutor, has already arrived. If you chose to enable your microphone and camera, you'll see that your tutor will guide you in that way. Other times, tutors use the chat function to say hello and get started on your work. Depending on the needs of the appointment, we may ask you to switch over with us to a different platform, such as Google Hangout. To begin your online appointment, paste your writing into a large space in the middle which should read, "Welcome to your online consultation." Below this, it has information explanation of the tools written. Once you paste or import your paper, you'll be able to edit the text as the appointment goes on so that you and your tutor can see any changes you decide to make. There are many tools that WCOnline includes to make sessions the best they can be. Top left of the collaboration space or whiteboard area, there are familiar basic editing tools for your writing, such as bold, italic. You can hover over these items to see their titles. On the top right of the collaboration space or whiteboard area, there is a toolbar with the following options. There is a drawing tool. You can circle things or add a drawing of what you're discussing. There is another option to print out the consultation. You can even upload files by clicking on the Import/Export button. Choose a file and add it to the text window in the center. There is a time slider tool. This allows you to view the session in real time. I hope that this video has helped you understand how to navigate your online tutoring session. If you have any other questions or concerns or simply want to learn more about our studio, please contact us by emailing writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu, calling us at 212-217-3060, visiting us at room C612 in the Fellman Center, or visiting our Instagram at FIT Write Speak. We look forward to seeing you.